Hey YouTubers, today we got some doggy treats for y'all with just 2 ingredients. I'm going to slightly turn this so I don't spill it. Chicken broth and raspberries. Don't have to go extra special when it comes to doggies because you don't want to have to worry about them digesting it, but this is also good for kitty cats. So it's good for whichever or both that you have. Plop it in your raspberries. Gonna go like mash, 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 smash, mash, mash, and we're gonna freeze these in little heart containers. Be super cute. I'm looking forward to Bjorn trying these. Bjorn's my sister's dog. I hear him running around in the background. There we go. We're just gonna mash this down. There we go. Make sure you get a wide bowl so you have room to put your hand in. Oh, it smells good. Just get it really pulpy. This is going to be really good for like their coats. And the chicken broth's like protein. And it just kind of helps them be like, feel good about themselves. Just have a nice little treat, you know. And it's kind of like good for hot days because it's a little frozen. It's like a little popsicle for your doggy. Like how cute is that? Okay, almost got it all mushy mush. Gonna add in our broth. There's no real measurement, it's just like how much consistency you want of flavor. I thought it'd be cute with a lot of raspberries. It just kind of helps make it pourable. I think that'll be good. Try to get something low sodium if it's going to be like on a daily basis of feeding them this. I'm not doing like a spray on mold thing because I'm just scared of how that would be for them. I'll pour a little bit of this broth back in. There we go.
Breathe.
Shh. There we go. Gonna lay these down in it. There we go. And then pour some over it. There we go. It just depends on the mold you're using. These are a little bit too shallow. So there we go. And these should freeze for about 2 hours. There we go. Just pour some broth over it. I'll clean this all up before my mom sees it. And some of these can be just chicken broth. You want to just have like a little chicken treat. And there we go. We'll see y'all in 2 hours after we freeze them and I clean up this mess.
Bjorn, come here. Come here, Bjorn. Come here. Are you excited? Are you excited for some treats?
Okay, now they're out of the freezer, and look how cute. Let's just pop one out. There we go. Okay. That looks cute. Let's see if Bjorn likes it. Bjorn! Excited to try it? Oh, that's a yes. Thanks for watching.